All right, guys, there's 5 classes in IMSA, 3 prototype classes, and I'm going to break those down for you, starting with the DPI. These are the fastest cars on track, making over 600 horsepower with the most sophisticated aerodynamic devices to help produce downforce. You can differentiate DPIs by the black number panels on the side. These cars are likely to win the race overall, but that's not guaranteed. All right, so this is LMP2, the second fastest class in the race. They look similar to DPI, a little less sophisticated on aerodynamics and a little less horsepower at about 560 horsepower. You can differentiate LMP2 by the blue number panels on the side and that they're eligible to compete globally. All right, now we get to the final prototype class, LMP3. And by the way, LMP is for Le Mans Prototype. The LMP3 is a smaller version of the LMP2 and less horsepower, 455 horsepower in this class, and it's differentiated by its orange number plate as well on the side. Now, all of the cars in IMSA race on Michelin tires. LMP3, though, races on commercially available tires that you can buy for your car to take to the track. Now, you ask any kid here, these are the coolest cars in class. This is where the world's greatest luxury manufacturers compete with race cars based on road-going GT cars, including this Lexus. Now, this is the car that I drive. You can differentiate this class, which is GTD, by the green number plates and the yellow headlights. Ahead of us is GTD PRO, red end fences, red number plates, and white headlights at night. Those are the only differences, though. GTD PRO and GTD, the cars are identical. But inside, the difference is in the drivers. GTD PRO, these are full-time pros. This is all they do. Like Jack Hawksworth, he's in the simulator during the week, and he's thinking racing all the time. The difference with GTD drivers, most of us have a side hustle. Like me, I'll be doing the broadcast and driving. The cool thing is, occasionally, the side hustle guys beat the pros. How awesome is that?